We're out on the same lake as yesterday. We fished for like 20 minutes. We're out in the same spot. I might try some different trees by here because it's pretty slow. We started off with like a 6-inch bluegill. At least we're not. Fish on. Oh, we got a decent gill, like a 7-incher. We're gonna let it go. Keep on fishing. I don't think we just got another fish, another bluegill. At least we're catching a few. We better get the way down there. We're marking fish right there. We got another fish. It's god dang windy. Oh, so it's. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it till dark because it's gonna be cold. Anyways, here's a bluegill, chartreuse and white jig, waxworm. Fish on. Ooh, another bluegill. Not a giant, but it's another fish on. Fish on. Let's see how giant it is. Oh, it's another like 6.5 or 7. So we have this mystery shot that I bought at the gas station the other day. I don't even remember what it was. I think it's Fireball, but we better finish it. I'll start catching bigger fish now if I have this shot. So let's see how this shot is. Hopefully I'm in the camera. It's going to probably fall down because of the wind. This is some good stuff. Fish on. Fish on. Another little crappie. Another crappie, not a giant though. A little bigger. I'm not keeping. Fish on. Yes, so we caught another dinky crappie. I tried putting on a wiggler worm instead of a waxworm too, and this. We're about to head in. We're marking fish, but I think they're really small because they keep nibbling and I miss them. And here's what I caught. Another. We just got another fish, another dinky crappie. I'm keep getting nibbled. We have a tip up. It's spinning a little bit. I don't know if it's still on. It might be a ding. Pike. Probably like a 26-incher. This might be the end of the day for fishing. I guess just let go. Crappie. I'm gonna head in a few minutes. Anyways, we've done decent. We just caught probably like a 25-inch pike. First pike to the ice and first pike out of this lake. Anyways, so I just went to pull up this tip up. This is gonna be a fish to unhook, and there was a fish on. I pulled and it was hard, and this fish is on it. I'm pretty sure it just like completely swallowed my quick strike rig. So I don't know if I'm gonna end up cutting the line or what. Anyways, this is going to be it for tonight. I don't know, we caught like 20 or 25 little crappies and bluegills and 2 pike. Anyways.